Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Alami. I am a 6th semester computer science and engineering student at Daffodil International University. Growing up in Zinada, I have always been passionate about learning and talking on new challenges. I consider myself a self-motivated and creative person, always ready to explore new ideas and development my skill. Outside of academic, I enjoy bike riding and going on tour with friends and family. This experience refresh my mind and bring new perspective, which I bring into my studies and work, education and experience. I completed my SSC at Shailakupa Government High School with GPA of 4.83 and my HSC from Shailakupa Government Degree College earning a GPA of 4.75. At DIU, my CGPA is 3.75 after 5 semesters and I am focused on improving it each term. Recently, I completed a Facebook marketing course to support my new startup Notmart, helping me understand digital promotion and reaching the right audience. My skills. I have developed various skills that I believe will help me in my future career. These include problem solving, teamwork, and leadership. I am also skilled in web development and Facebook marketing, which are important for my startup work. Additionally, I have teaching experience, which I enjoy as it allows me to share knowledge with others. I am an Excel sheet expert skilled in content writing and experienced in creating professional presentation slides. My achievement. At DIU, I participate in some exciting competition like the Takeoff, where I reached the main round and earned a certificate, and Unlock the Algorithm, where I was a finalist and received another certificate. And teamwork and startup journey. My team and I recently started Notmart, an e-commerce site where we have completed about 80% of the work. The startup journey has taught me a lot about working together and managing a business. Through teamwork, I have gained hands-on experience in digital marketing, product planning, and thinking strategically. Each day, I learn something new and I feel that this experience will be invaluable in my future career. Thank you.